The Grabber family of push blocks from Milescraft offer a wide range of options for all your workshop safety needs. Whether you have the original Grabber, the Grabber Plus, or the Grabber Pro, each was designed with user safety, comfort, and performance in mind. Each model has a high-friction diamond grip coating on the base to guarantee maximum contact and control with your workpiece. The angled ergonomic handles are heavy-duty and help provide maximum control and keep your hands safely away from the blade. The handle design also helps provide the ideal amount of downward, inward, and forward pressure while working with your material. The Grabber offers a classic push block safety solution. It can be used in any workshop application where more control and grip are required and your workpiece is clear of the cutting tool. With the Grabber Plus, extra control is added with the addition of a spring-loaded retractable heel. This allows the Grabber to contact the end of your workpiece and provide extra forward pressure through your cut. Lock the heel in place in a retracted position with the turn of a knob when not needed, or leave it loose and it automatically will retract when used mid-board. For maximum control and adaptability, the Grabber Pro has all the features of the others and more. The vertical design allows this Grabber Pro to pass over the saw blade, allowing you to make cuts as thin as 1/8 inch while safely gliding over the blade. The legs on the Grabber Pro are adjustable, allowing you to customize its setup for any cut. Whether you're a novice, a hobbyist, or a pro, the Grabber family of workshop safety products has a push block solution perfect for any project.
The Exactor by Milescraft. Measure, mark, and level in any project with this feature-packed 9-in-1 multi-purpose tool. Transfer measurements with a double-sided scale in imperial or metric units. Use the depth gauge up to 5 inches. Lock in a 90-degree square to measure inside corners, outside corners, or scribe 90-degree angles. 2 45-degree angle slots will let you mark a right hand or left hand miter joint. Dual levels ensure perfectly vertical and horizontal builds. The 3/16 inch reveal allows quick door and window casing trim alignment. Set up a sliding T-square to copy and scribe with precision, or remove the scale from the base to use it as a simple 6-inch ruler. The Exactor is a jam-packed tool with so many features, it will help you get the job done right on every project. Milescraft.
These are the Toughbuilt Gelfit Thigh Support Knee Pads. Experience the new benchmark for all-day kneeling ergonomics, comfort, functionality, and unmatched craftsmanship. Designed to combine the ultimate stability and agility. Comfortable steadiness while maintaining easy up, down, and side-to-side movement, allowing you to work and move with ease without having to worry about them moving out of position. The integrated thigh support keeps your knee centered, perfectly placed within the Gelfit padding. Toughbuilt's proprietary patent-pending injected gel and foam design ergonomically embraces the natural shape of the knee and upper shin. And the lower platform raises the shin off the ground, alleviating pressure on the ankles. It maximizes pressure distribution for the ultimate in all-day comfort. Ideal on rough, uneven, and smooth surfaces, indoors or outdoors. These are the Toughbuilt Gelfit Thigh Support Knee Pads. It's not just a knee pad, it's Toughbuilt.
Woodworkers have been using table saws since 1810, and taper jigs have probably been around since 1811. For 210 years, not much has been done to make the taper jig more versatile or more accurate. Well, that has just changed. Introducing the Woodpecker's Precision Taper Jig. We've added repeatability, safety, and accuracy to this centuries-old tool. Two matching anodized extrusions are joined together by a reinforced nylon hinge. On the opposite end, a push plate captures the end of your stock and pushes it through the saw. What sets Woodpecker's Precision Taper Jig above all the rest is right here. The Precision Taper Jig comes with two scales. One sets angles from 0 to 7 degrees in quarter-degree increments. The other sets angles from 0 to 15 degrees in half-degree increments. For anything that lands between the lines, or even wider angles, the clamping bar will hold the jig by itself without the angle index. Accuracy and safety are enhanced by the MDF sled and quick release clamps. The clamps are simple to use no matter what your project calls for, with a clamping range from 3 inches down to 17/32 of an inch. The clamping handles also serve double duty as convenient gripping points for pushing the jig. And the MDF sled eliminates any worry about bottom side tear out. For wider stock, you can either make a larger sacrificial sled or remove the sled and ride the Precision Taper Jig straight on the table. It's also completely reversible, allowing you to cut tapers on both sides of the blade. If the 32-inch capacity of our standard taper jig isn't quite enough, well, don't worry, because there's an optional extension kit. In a couple minutes, you can take your Precision Taper Jig up to a full 48-inch capacity. The push plate, clamping blocks, and MDF sleds are all made from materials that won't damage your saw blade and are easily replaced. Woodpecker's Precision Taper Jig takes your furniture designs to a whole new level of sophistication by making tapers repeatable, more accurate, and safer.
Milwaukee Tool introduces the M12 Fuel Installation Drill Driver. Equipped with 4 dedicated solutions, an inline grip, and magnetic bit holder. The installation drill driver is purposely designed to access challenging locations, increasing productivity. Each solution attaches in 16 different positions, and 3 can be added to the right angle attachment for added versatility and increase access to tight and hard to reach places.
Having the drill driver's attachments makes things faster, makes things easy.
It's really nice having those different solutions for the drill because I can swap out the heads very easily and quickly and only have to bring one tool onto the job.
I've accomplished pretty much any installation scenario that's been thrown my way.
It's so versatile, and you don't even know how many ways you can use it when you first look at it. As you use it more and more, you find more places where it's like, wow, it makes this a lot easier.
A huge benefit is clearance, getting in tight spaces with dash work, confined areas. It really gets a better angle on whatever you're getting at.
The drill body is nice and slim, which keeps profile smaller.
With the head being able to change different directions, it makes the access to the tool that much easier to use.
Any angle, any position you need to be in, the drill can do it.
I was actually pretty amazed at how much power comes out of such a small drill. The 300 inch-pounds is plenty enough to get whatever I need to get done.
I've been more efficient, more productive because it saved me more than a few trips to the truck to get a different, stronger drill because it has the torque that I need.
Instead of buying multiple tools, you have the multiple heads to just change out. So instead of purchasing 4 tools, you're purchasing one that can do it all.